decided to hook up my fire alarm system. Here is my T-bar. I'm going to fix this because this is actually a break glass T-bar. It's just the break glass part fell off, so I have to fix that. You got this switch, which turns the lights on, and a surprise in the kitchen. Which, if you were watching my shorts, you know what it is. 2903 strobe. The frick? And here's something that has never made it to my channel. Here's a Yamaha music siren theme I was trying to make. This is what has never made it to my channel, but I made for the channel. It's a dual horn projector. I don't know where all this red came from. There was literally no red in there before I put all that stuff in there. And it somehow got wet and got red. So I don't know how that happened, but it's a dual horn projector made out of paper. Here's my bell. Yeah. Here's where the other T-bar went. There's the Simplex 2904. Wheel lock strobe plate. Something else that has made it to my channel, but nobody has really seen because it was on my post, is a Simplex B key. It's really clean. Not that clean, but clean enough. It's just been hanging in the kitchen. I did buy a T-bar with it, but the owner blackmailed me and decided to not give it to me. Got canceled, and we didn't get our refund, so yeah. It's a Tuesday. I have off school because of report cards. As I short that. The surprise comes on. That siren's hooked up to the fire alarm system. Can you hear it? Probably not. I'm printing an orange one. My printer. Which, when I 3D print like Arload Hi-Hats P10, whenever he releases that, or his Banshee, it will more likely not go outside since it's PLA. I don't have like PTD yet. We'll go on the top of that since that thing is freaking high. Let me turn the fire alarm system off. But yeah, that's really all that's happened to this fire alarm system. Got a siren mounted, and yeah. So, bye. Or never mind. I also might add this traffic light to the system. I used to be a fan or an enthusiast of traffic lights. I still kind of am. I've been working on one in Tinkercad. But I think the video's over, so bye.